Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button, subscribe to our channel and click that bell icon just below for notifications. Steaming hot, fresh from the pot. We're going to make an incredible, beautiful, tender, fall off the bone lamb and mushroom curry with coconut milk. We've got some lovely, lovely Indian spices in there. It is delicious. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, let's take a look at these ingredients. So lamb at the back there. I've got like sort of 400 grams of lamb. It's mostly lean, but there are a few little bones in there. Mushrooms, 200 grams of mushrooms. I'm using a white, fresh mushroom. 400 ml of coconut milk. 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste. Chopped green chili, that's up to you what you want to put in. Half a cup of fresh cilantro or coriander. 1 onion, I'm using red, cut quite small. 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds. Here I've got our powders, what I always call the big 4, so 1 teaspoon each, equal parts of turmeric, cumin, coriander and chili. And here I've got some fresh curry leaves. If you can get them, fantastic. If not, try and get dried. That's about it. We're going to start this off with a touch of oil and of course add some salt. By the way, all of the measurements are in the text below. So in there I've got some oil. I'm using a sunflower oil. You could be using something else if you wanted. We're going to start off by putting in our cumin seeds. Just for a few seconds, want them to do their thing. We want to kind of just above medium heat, by the way. We're now going to add in the fresh curry leaves. Can be quite noisy, let's see. Not too bad. And then we're going to add the lamb. In it goes. Like I say, mostly meat, lean meat, but there's a few little bones in there. Staying on this heat, let's go for about 4 minutes. Just give this a nice head start. Okay, so we're just like 4 minutes in, got some nice colour on it. Of course, it's nowhere near cooked at this point. We're now going to add in that onion, the garlic ginger paste, and I'm going to get some salt in the mix right now. Staying on this same heat, let's go for another 4 minutes. Fabulous, really, really nice. Okay, we're now going to add in our mushrooms. In they go. To that we're going to add our fresh chili. Up to you how much you want to put in. Then we're going to add the powders. Let's just take one more look at them. Now if you wanted, you could be using a regular mixed curry powder you have already, but we've got there equal parts, 1 teaspoon of chili, turmeric, cumin and coriander powder. In that goes. Staying on the same heat, let's go for another 4 minutes, stirring often. And doesn't this look fabulous? So, if you've got a really lean, beautiful cut of lamb, you could put your coconut milk in now. But what I'm going to do is first add a little bit of water. And let this go for about another 5 or 6 minutes. I just want to kind of let that water help stew that lamb down and break it down. I mean, it's a good cut, but it's not prime. So yeah, I'm going to go 5 more minutes with that touch of water in there. And that's going to really help tenderize our meat. Give it a stir every now and then. Fantastic. I like just to do that little process there just to help, like I say, the lamb cook. Now, let's get our coconut milk in there. Give that a mix. We're going to get the heat onto a simmer now. Super low heat. This really does look good. We're going to get the lid on, and I'm going to let this go for about another 8 minutes on this really low heat. You can give it a stir every now and then. If it thickens up too much with your coconut milk, you can add just a little touch of water. Yeah, 7 or 8 minutes, pretty much done. This is going to be absolutely delicious. Hope you've got your rice cooked. Okay then, off goes the heat, off comes the lid, out goes the steam. And that is looking absolutely delicious. That means it's going to be nice and tender for me now. Check that for salt. Now, I didn't show you this at the beginning, but I'm going to add a little pinch here, or two, of garam masala powder, which is a nice sort of finishing powder, and a fresh chopped cilantro or coriander, whatever you call that. We're going to give that a mix in. This is going to be absolutely wonderful with some rice. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We will see you soon. Lots of love.